Credit Strong charges a fixed monthly payment instead of interest, and that monthly payment is tied to a credit builder account rather than a traditional loan you can freely spend. By the end of this, you'll understand how Credit Strong's fee structure works, what you're actually paying each month, and where the real cost shows up in the credit building process. Start with the basic structure. Credit Strong is a credit building service, not a typical credit card or personal loan. That means you're not borrowing money to spend right away. Instead, you're making structured monthly payments into an account that reports to credit bureaus. Now look at how the fees work. Credit Strong uses fixed monthly payments based on the credit builder account you select. Each plan has a set monthly cost, and that payment is what gets reported as credit activity. There's no interest being charged in the traditional revolving credit sense. Next is what your payments actually do. Every monthly payment is reported as on-time installment activity. This helps build credit history, especially payment consistency, which is one of the key parts of credit scoring. You are essentially paying to create a structured record of credit behavior over time. Now look at how the account itself is structured. Most Credit Strong accounts are installment-style credit builder accounts. That means you follow a fixed payment schedule until the account term is completed. Once the term ends, the savings portion of your payments is typically returned to you, depending on the account type and terms. This is where people often misunderstand what they are paying for. Next is the key misconception. Credit Strong is not designed to give you spending access like a credit card. You cannot use it for purchases in the way you would use traditional credit. It is strictly a credit building and savings style system. Now look at the real cost perspective. The monthly payment is not just a fee in the traditional sense. It is a combination of forced savings and credit reporting service structure. The value comes from building payment history over time, not from borrowing flexibility. Next is the trade-off. Longer plans mean longer monthly commitments, but also a longer active credit reporting period. Shorter plans reduce total commitment but also shorten your credit building timeline. Now the key reality. Credit Strong's fee schedule is built around predictable monthly payments that prioritize credit history building over spending power or flexibility. To sum it up, Credit Strong uses fixed monthly installment-style payments that report to credit bureaus, with your main cost being the structured plan you choose, rather than interest or borrowing fees. Next step is simple. Before signing up, decide how long you want to commit, and whether your goal is building long-term credit history or short-term credit improvement. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more credit building breakdowns, fintech app explanations, and simple guides that make financial tools easier to understand.